Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Infiniti G37. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always gather your jumper cables and a reliable donor vehicle. Make sure both cars are completely off and in park or neutral. Wearing safety glasses and gloves is a smart move to protect yourself. Also, take a moment to inspect your G37's battery for any visible damage or fluid leaks. Now, let's connect those cables correctly. First, take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Infiniti G37's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the donor battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your G37, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to bring your G37 back to life. Start the donor vehicle's engine and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your dead battery. After 5 minutes, try starting your Infiniti G37. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another few minutes and try again. Remember, do not crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time to prevent damage. Once your Infiniti G37 is running, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order to avoid sparks. First, remove the black negative clamp from your G37's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the donor vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the donor battery. Finally, take off the red positive clamp from your G37's battery. Drive your car for at least 30 minutes to ensure the battery recharges properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.